Agnatha X. The Agnatha X is an advanced underwater robot inspired by the smooth, flowing movements of jawless fish. Designed with a sleek and flexible body, it glides effortlessly through the water, moving in a way that looks completely natural. This like motion allows it to blend into its surroundings and explore marine environments without disturbing sea creatures. Built with state-of-the-art sensors and intelligent control systems, the Agnatha X can collect important data, monitor ocean conditions, and assist in underwater research. Its energy-efficient design lets it stay in the water for longer missions, while its durable construction ensures it can handle a wide range of conditions. Ideal for scientific studies, environmental monitoring, and educational displays, the Agnatha X offers a safe and non-intrusive way to study life beneath the surface. It's a great example of biomimicry, where technology learns from nature to solve real challenges. Atlas gets a grip. Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot is already famous for doing amazing flips and stunts in videos, but the company is making it even smarter and more human-like. In their newest clips, Atlas shows it can now grip and handle objects much better, making it closer to how people use their hands. This means Atlas can do useful tasks like carrying tools up scaffolding to help workers on a job site. It's learning to see, grab, and move things on its own, which is a big step toward robots working safely alongside humans. Scott Quindersma, the leader of the Atlas team, says these improvements show how the robot's abilities in understanding and interacting with the world are growing every day. Atlas getting a better grip means it can help in more real-world jobs where careful handling is needed. Instead of just amazing us with flips, it's becoming a real helper that can support people with tough or dangerous work. Bionic Swift. Bionic Swift is an amazing robotic bird built to fly just like a real one. Designed with smart technology, it moves smoothly and gracefully through the air, making its flight look natural and lifelike. Its light but strong body helps it fly fast and make sharp turns easily, perfect for exploring the skies or putting on exciting flight shows. Bionic Swift is packed with clever sensors and controls that help it navigate tricky places, adjusting its path quickly to avoid obstacles. It uses energy efficiently, so it can stay flying longer without needing a break. And its sturdy build means it can handle different weather conditions without trouble. This robot is a perfect example of how engineers learn from nature to build better machines that solve real problems. Whether it's used for science, teaching, or entertainment, Bionic Swift brings the thrill and beauty of bird flight to life. Boss Manta Ray. The Boss Manta Ray is an amazing underwater robot designed to move just like a real manta ray. It glides smoothly and quietly through the water, copying the wide, flat shape and gentle wing-like movements of these beautiful sea creatures. This lifelike design helps it blend in perfectly with the ocean, so it can explore and watch sea life without disturbing it. Equipped with smart sensors and navigation tools, the Boss Manta Ray collects important information about the ocean and helps scientists study underwater environments. Its energy-saving design allows it to stay underwater for a long time, while its strong body can handle different water conditions. Ideal for exploring the ocean, teaching people about marine life, and helping protect sea habitats, the Boss Manta Ray shows how technology can learn from nature to create useful tools. Chimp Chimp is a strong and smart robot built to handle tough jobs in places that are hard or dangerous for people to reach. It can climb, lift heavy things, and move easily over rough and tricky surfaces. This makes Chimp perfect for rescue missions, exploring disaster areas, or working in places where humans can't safely go. With advanced sensors and smart controls, Chimp can carefully avoid obstacles and perform complex tasks with great precision. Its sturdy build helps it stay balanced and steady, even when doing difficult movements or carrying heavy loads. Chimp shows how robots can help solve real problems by doing work that is risky or too hard for humans. Evologic's Quadroin. The Evologic's Quadroin is a unique underwater robot designed to move just like a real penguin. Its sleek shape and smooth swimming style allow it to glide through the water naturally, making it look almost alive. This clever design isn't just for show. It helps the quadroin blend in with marine life, so it can explore without scaring away sea creatures. Built with advanced sensors and communication technology, it can gather important data after sit day, map underwater areas, and help with marine research or inspections. Its high maneuverability and energy efficiency make it perfect for operating in different underwater environments, even in challenging conditions. The quadroin is a great example of biomimicry, where engineers take inspiration from nature to solve real world problems. Scientists use it to study the ocean more closely, while educators use it to inspire people to care about marine conservation. Whether swimming in an aquarium to wow visitors or exploring the depths for research, the Evologics Quadroin combines technology and nature in a way that's both practical and fascinating. It's not just a robot, it's a high-tech penguin built to help us understand and protect our oceans. Figure Zero One Humanoid Robot. Figure Zero One is an amazing AI-powered humanoid robot designed to help people at work. Introduced in March 2023 by the robotics company Figure, this robot is built to think, learn, and move all on its own without needing any remote control. It's like having a smart helper that can do many tasks by itself. The robot uses advanced artificial intelligence to understand its surroundings and predict how to move, making it fully autonomous. The main idea behind Figure oh 01 is to help with jobs that are hard or dangerous for humans. With many workplaces facing a shortage of workers, this robot can step in to fill the gap. It can do repetitive, unsafe, or boring jobs, so people can focus on more important or creative work. Over time, it could even take on tasks that humans don't want to do. What makes Figure oh 01 special is that it's designed to work safely alongside humans. MetaPanda. MetaPanda is a clever and friendly robot designed to make technology fun and easy to connect with. Inspired by the lovable panda, it has a sleek, modern look that instantly catches your eye. But MetaPanda is more than just looks. It moves smoothly, reacts to its environment, and interacts naturally with people. This makes it great for schools, exhibitions, and events where it can teach, entertain, and engage audiences. With built-in sensors, cameras, and smart communication tools, MetaPanda can guide visitors, help with educational activities, and showcase the latest robotic technology in an exciting way. Its lifelike movements and warm design create a friendly vibe that makes people feel comfortable and interested. MetaPanda is also energy efficient and built to last, so it works well in many different settings. Whether it's helping kids learn, entertaining crowds, or showing how robots can be helpful companions, MK10 Racehorse. The MK10 Racehorse is an exciting and powerful machine designed for speed and precision on the track. Built with the latest technology, it combines strength, agility, and smooth control to deliver a thrilling racing experience. Its sleek and aerodynamic design helps it cut through the air easily, allowing it to reach high speeds quickly and keep them with ease. The MK10 Racehorse handles sharp turns and fast moves effortlessly, giving riders the confidence to push their limits during races. Made from strong, durable materials, it's built to last through tough competitions and long races without losing performance. The advanced control system makes steering and braking feel natural and responsive, so every moment on the track is smooth and controlled. Whether you're a professional racer or just love watching fast machines in action, the MK10 Racehorse brings excitement, speed, and power together in one amazing package. Nissan E4 Orse Ramen Counter. Nissan has created a smart little robot called the E4 Orse Ramen Counter that can deliver hot bowls of noodle soup without spilling a single drop. Instead of a chef handing the ramen over, this mini robot carefully carries the steaming soup right to the customer's table or counter. It's inspired by Nissan's advanced twin-motor technology used in their electric cars, like the Nissan Ariya. This twin-motor system helps the robot stay super steady and balanced, so the bowl doesn't wobble or spill, even when moving around. The same technology helps Nissan's cars drive smoothly by reducing sway and keeping control, making rides more comfortable. By using this tech in the ramen counter robot, Nissan is showing how car innovations can be used in everyday life to solve fun and useful problems. This robotic ramen server makes dining more fun and modern. Robotic whale shark. The robotic whale shark is a stunning example of how technology can beautifully imitate nature. This incredible creation is designed to look and move exactly like the world's largest fish, gliding gracefully through the water just like its real-life counterpart. Every feature, from its unique spotted skin to its slow, sweeping tail movements, has been crafted to feel lifelike and captivating. But it's not just about appearances. The robotic whale shark has important real-world uses. It's used in aquariums, marine research, and educational programs to give people a chance to experience this gentle giant up close without harming or disturbing wildlife. Scientists use it to observe marine life in natural habitats without causing disruption, while educators use it to inspire people to appreciate and protect our oceans. Samsung Bot at CES 2022, Samsung introduced some incredible new AI and robot technologies that amazed everyone. Their main theme was digital meets physical, showing how technology can make our everyday lives easier and more connected. Samsung's booth featured exciting inventions like an AI avatar and two special companion robots, the Samsung Bot and Samsung Bot Handy. The Samsung Bot Handy is especially cool because it's designed to help around the house. Imagine having a smart robot that can assist with chores like picking up objects, cleaning, or helping with other tasks. It's like having a helpful friend that makes daily housework less tiring and more fun. Samsung's goal with these robots is to bring smart technology into our homes in a way that feels natural and personal. These robots don't just do jobs, they connect with us, making life more convenient and enjoyable. Spacebok is an amazing robot designed to move like an animal, giving it incredible agility and balance. Using advanced technology, it can jump, run, and handle rough and tricky surfaces easily, making it perfect for exploring places where humans or regular robots can't reach. Its light but strong body helps it make fast, powerful moves while staying steady and balanced. Spacebok uses smart sensors to understand its surroundings and adjust to different types of ground, so it can move confidently over rocks, uneven paths, and other obstacles. This makes it a great tool for important jobs like search and rescue, scientific research, and testing new robot technologies in tough environments. Spacebox shows how engineers can learn from nature to build better machines that solve real problems. Whether it's hopping across rocky terrain or running through wild landscapes, Spacebox is a mix of smart design and practical ability that pushes what robots can do. SPD-1. The SPD-1 is a high-performance device designed to combine speed, efficiency, and reliability in one sleek package. Built with advanced technology, it delivers powerful results while being easy to operate, making it ideal for both professional use and everyday tasks. Its compact yet durable design ensures it can handle demanding conditions without losing performance. The SPD-1 is engineered for versatility, allowing it to adapt to different situations and deliver consistent results every time. Energy efficiency is one of its strengths, giving you maximum output while using minimal power. It also features a user-friendly interface, so even beginners can operate it with confidence. Whether you need it for fast-paced work, technical projects, or outdoor activities, the SPD-1 is built to perform without compromise. Its modern design not only looks great, but also adds to its practicality, making it a reliable tool you'll want to use again and again. X-Fly. The X-Fly is a cutting-edge flying device designed to give you an exciting and unforgettable experience in the air. Built with advanced aerodynamic design and lightweight yet durable materials, it offers smooth, stable, and responsive flight that feels natural and effortless. Its powerful propulsion system allows it to perform with speed and precision, while the compact build makes it easy to carry and set up anywhere. The X-Fly is perfect for outdoor adventures, aerial photography, or simply enjoying the thrill of flight. Safety is a top priority, with built-in features to keep both beginners and experienced flyers confident while in the air. It is also energy efficient, giving you longer flight times without sacrificing performance. The controls are intuitive, making it easy to master, and its agility allows for impressive maneuvers that make every flight exciting. Whether you're exploring landscapes from above or testing your piloting skills, the X-Fly combines innovation, fun, and practicality.